करता हूं।
Power Minister Abu Tahir Mandal on Friday said the preliminary report submitted by the Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati IIT-G has indicated that the Umiam bridge is in good condition, but its bearings needs to be replaced to extend its lifespan. Mandal told reporters that the IIT-G had already conducted an inspection of the bridge and the department was just waiting for the report. He also informed that a joint committee consisting of engineers of the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited and Public Works Department has been constituted to examine the proposed retrofitting of the bridge.
Guwahati has already conducted their inspection and we are just awaiting the report. As per the preliminary report they have given to us, they are telling that there is in a good condition, but the bearing of the bridge has to be replaced. So accordingly, we have placed order to the company who is our manufacturer for these bearings, and a renowned party has been also engaged for that.
Power Minister Abu Tahir Mandal on Friday